guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So in today's video we're actually going to making some short mini little press-ons, some little shorties. I am pointing out right now, recorded this video like last week or the week before. Basically, I was emptying my dishwasher and one of the steak knives was poking up upside down and it went inside my ring fingernail and it caused absolute pain. So I had to cut my nail down really short. This video was recorded because I couldn't actually put on any extensions because I wanted the nail to heal. It's healed now, it's absolutely fine. But this is why I made some press-ons instead. So I'm showing you all the stuff that I'm going to be using today. So it's basically the Vrenmol I think it's pronounced, glow in the dark gel polish set, McCart's black temperature changing polygel, and then these stickers that I bought ages and ages and ages ago off of AliExpress, these Halloween stickers, and then of course like McCart's top and base coat. So basically I wasn't going to upload this video because I wasn't that I weren't happy with the outcome. I still think it's a pretty cool idea, and someone did ask me to do a hidden nail design. I'll see if I can find the comment because I can't remember because they asked quite a while ago and I apologise that it's only now getting around to it. So basically what happened was I made these nails and I had a certain expectation of how they were going to turn out, and they didn't turn out perfect, but I wasn't going to share them. I did share a short reveal on my Instagram story though. By the way, you should follow me. The link is down in the description box. Wink wink. So yeah, I uploaded this video on my story, and I actually put on a thing to a vote, a poll. Do you want to see this video, like on how I made these? And 80% said yes. So I was like, okay, well, I will put them up then, because I didn't know if people wanted to see it, because it wasn't one of my best videos, but it was definitely a great idea, and the idea was perfectly thought out. It was just it didn't go to plan in the end. So I thought, why not we're just going to try it. And a few people have asked me to do some shorty nails, so that's what we're doing today. So well, it was 2 weeks ago I recorded this, but hey, it doesn't matter, does it? So no, basically what I just done is I put some base coat on and cured for 60 seconds, and now I'm going in and I'm basically just applying 2 coats of each colour onto each nail. I alternate, I do one of each different colour, and of course you cure in between each layer, so I do 2 coats of each colour. Sorry, that sounded like a mouthful, and I'm sure I could have explained that so much easier, but this is the world we live in. So anyway, I forgot what I was going to say. Brain fart. I will link everything down below in the description box. Yeah, oh, it got messy. I accidentally touched it. So basically this is really easy. This is really simple. You just quickly do this. If you are doing this on, if you want these to last, or you're doing it on like a nail extension, I would suggest to prep your nail first, of course. And if you were doing like a nail extension, prep your nail like you would normally. I'll leave a video in the cards of how to prep your nail. I've got a couple of them now. And then I would file the shine, make sure that there's no shine on the nail surface. And you would also do this with, if you do press-ons, you would file away the shine off of the tip. I hope this is making sense, because I've just kind of blabbered then and thing. So, okay, let's just put into short thing here whilst we're doing the layers of colours. You want to file away that shine, then apply the base coat if you're doing press-ons. If you're doing a nail extension, or even on your natural nail, you want to take out the surface shine or the shine away from the actual nail extension product that you use, whether it's acrylic, dip, hard gel, polygel, whatever you like. It is completely your choice. And then apply some gel polish, because otherwise it will peel and it won't stick as well. I know, stupid, but hey ho, that's nail products for you. So I really do love this gel polish set, and I have done a review on it before, and I've actually used it a lot of times in my gel design videos. That is a playlist that I will link if I remember to. So basically now what I'm doing is I'm taking these stickers that I got off AliExpress, and I'm just sticking them onto the sticky layer of the gel polish once they've come out of the lamp. I tore it a little bit, but it's okay, we fix it. You can't even notice when I put it on the nail. So I think we do like a screaming face and a set of ribs on this nail. We do a witch on another one. We do some ghosts, a pumpkin face, and we also put trick or treat on a nail. Now, these nails looked really good with just the gel polish and the stickers. But I do more. But this was the idea that was set in mind. But you can just like stick on the stickers and you're good to go, and it looks really cool. You just have to apply some top coat on top of this if you just wanted to have them like this. I really like that sticker, by the way. It looks really cool. But wait until you see the end effect. It's really like spooky. So like I said, we're just going to the next nail, the next nail, the next nail, and so on and so forth. I think this one, yeah, this one was ghosts. I think the next one is like a witch, then trick or treat, and then a pumpkin face. So like I said, each nail is a different colour. I will hopefully try and find the link for these stickers, but I bought them so long ago. AliExpress sellers, they tend to just like, they're not like Amazon where they restock. Do you know what I mean? Like sometimes they just disappear, and hopefully I'll be able to find them. If I can't, I do apologise. But you can use any stickers. I know a lot of companies are actually doing some great Halloween stickers right now, which are perfect for, well, the month of October, I guess. So once this is done, I then do go over with, I'm just going to show you all the stickers apparently. I go over the nails with a layer of base coat, and I cure for 60 seconds. Basically to encapsulate, because what we're going to do next now, we could actually end up making the stickers run or slide off or stuff like that. So I'm going to the trickle read. The tea come off. I did fix it though. These stickers are a little temperamental, so like temperamental? I think I'm saying that wrong. I probably am. Someone let me know down in the comments if I am. So yeah, once I had done this, then yeah, here's the base coat. I'm sorry, I'm blabbering a lot in this video. I probably won't even put any music on. You can just hear my boring voice. I know a lot of people, not a lot of people, one or two people have commented that they don't like my voice, and I'm like, okay, thanks for the feedback. Like, I don't know what you want me to do, because it's my voice. I was born with it. You know, maybe it's Maybelline. Is it Maybelline? I can't remember the advert. Or is it L'Oreal? I can't remember. But yeah, people complain about my voice and that I talk too much. And that's just me, I'm afraid. I'm sorry. If you don't, if you don't like really listen to me, you can always mute it if you really want to watch the videos. Or you don't really have to watch. Like, I'm not gonna come for you and stuff like that. But I'm sorry that I cannot change my voice, is what I am saying. So anyway, once we had done the base coat, I then went in with some slip solution and stuck it into the cap, and grabbed my polygel brush, wet up the bristles, and then I grabbed the Matte Black colour changing polygel. I wouldn't call it black though, it's more of a greyish colour. It's still fine, it still works, I'm not complaining. And basically I just put a bead on, and then I just spread it out and patted it into place, forming a nice nail with it, and basically encapsulating the design. So this polygel, for some reason, sorry if you can hear my kids, by the way, they are in bed, but they're like talking because they've just gone to bed, and I'm trying to get this voiceover done so I can finish off my edits and get it ready for tomorrow. So basically, I thought this polygel went clear when it colour changed. That's what I thought it was. But it's not. It's like a milky, clear white sort of colour. So that's where the actual design and the idea failed. So that was the only downfall, but I don't think I have any black colour changing polygel that goes clear. I think I got this one and maybe another one, which was from the Goshen colour changing polygel kit. And I think that one does the same as this one. Maybe it's because it's such an opaque colour, you can't have it go clear when it colour changes, but it's fine, it worked. And this one nail here, the thumb, turned out really cool and spooky. I was really happy with it. But the rest of them, it was like, but still, I thought the idea was there. Sorry, they were shouting a lot then, so I had to tell them to calm down because we do have neighbours. So yeah, it still worked, and people still said they wanted to see the video, so I was like, okay, I will upload it. It's not my best work, but it's still like the idea was there, and if someone can take this idea and create their own style, or I can inspire some of you to do something similar and maybe do something better, then hey, that's okay with me, and I've done something good, and there's something good to come out of this video, so I don't mind completely. So anyway, basically like I said, I just done a bead and I patted around the polygel, shaping the nail as best I could, because these are quite small and I'm not used to doing small nails, so it was like, oh, okay, you're sure. But it was still fine. They did turn out a bit chunky, but who cares? It's only a little bit of chunk. We like girls thick. Nah. Oh, I feel so horrible saying that. But yeah, it was really easy to do, and it didn't actually take me that long to do. So basically, this kit, this polygel come in a kit. I will link in the cards of the set and the actual review I done. I really liked this colour changing Macart kit, so I was really happy that I got to use the black in this set, because like it's very hard to figure out like a design that you can do with colour changing polygel, because there's only so much you're limited to. Well, no, I guess not. I think I'm just talking up my backside here, but anyway. So once I'd done this, I cured for a full 60 seconds, and then I went into filing. So I'm going to let you guys watch the filing process and the rest of the nails, and I will be back in time for top coat and reveal. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in a bit. So once I was finished with the filing, I then wiped the tops of the nails over with some rubbing alcohol and wiped away all the dust. I should have gone over them with a buffing block and buffed out those scratches. That was my fault and my stupid mistake and error. So anyway, I then went in with some top coat and I cured for 60 seconds. You can see there I'm sort of like brushing it in, but really I should have just grabbed a buffing block and buffed out the shine. Not the shine. The scratches. That's my fault, so make sure you do that, guys. Do as I say, not as I do, and follow by my mistakes by not doing them as well. So yeah, once I'd done this, I then stuck them onto my nails using some blue tack just for the reveal, because like I said, I was waiting for my ring finger to heal, so I didn't want to put any product on that nail. So yeah, there's a trick if you just want to take a few cool pictures of your flashy what are they called? Nail press-ons that you just want to take a picture, you know, for reveals and stuff like that. You can use a bit of blue tack and it works just fine. Or you could use double-sided sticky tape. But anyway, I'm going to come back for the reveal because I want to explain And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a second. And here are the finished result, guys. So like I said, they are looking very grey. So it's more grey than black. It's like a blackish grey. So anyway, that was them cold. This is them hot. So they do go like that milky colour. And I thought it was really cool. And this is when they are glowing. Look how spooky that thumbnail looks. I should have just done them all like that. But anyway, guys, this is the end result. So like I said, it didn't turn out perfect, but I was still happy with the result. And if it glows, you know I'm happy. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My outro cut me off then. But yeah, I hope you're all staying safe, keep on smiling, and I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you all in my next video, guys. Bye!